Your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
All right, before I go into weather, Mayor Policina, if you have another one of those hoodies, those softball hoodies that you had on for that A Block interview with Dominique, can you please get in touch with me? So I'll pay big bucks for it because I'm a huge hoodie fan and it has blue on it and it's a really great color and I really want one. Temperatures in the 30s right now. And I'm not embarrassed for saying this because I love wearing hoodies. Mayor, hook me up. Have your people call my people, okay? 35 in Providence, 35 in New Bedford, 33 in Smithfield, but frigid air coming in. Now, when the rain changed over to snow this morning, it took so long. The temperatures were essentially above freezing. The snow rates weren't impressive enough to compensate for the milder temperatures, and I say milder in quotes because it was 35, 36, still cold, but when it comes to snow standards, you want it to be a little colder, especially when we hit daytime. So couldn't get it to accumulate on the roads. Grassy surfaces, yes. If we had this kind of air in place when it was snowing, it would have been a different story. A frigid air comes in tonight. So anything that's wet out there will get icy tonight, and it's probably more walkways, but like your secondaries, roads, your untreated bridges and overpasses. I noticed one thing though coming in, there are salt trucks everywhere right now, anticipating the temperature drop. And it'll go from 30s to 20s to teens by midnight. And we do it with generally clear skies. Now tomorrow, go partly sunny skies, but look at the temperatures. We're in that frigid stuck pattern again for Friday. It seems like every time we get to the end of the week, it's either some snow or some cold. And tomorrow we get the cold. Temperatures in the low 20s in Rhode Island. Southeastern Mass, partly sunny. Your temperatures in the low 20s, 23 in Taunton, 22 in Attleboro, North Attleboro, and a light north wind. But even when you're like north wind 5 to 10, temperature 23, it's going to feel like teens most of the day. We'll do it with partly sunny skies, probably a little brighter in the afternoon, but the temperatures by far the headline. So here we go again. We have cold air locked in. Can we get a snowstorm? I mean, it's been really tough to find snow this winter. It's like missing in action, right? We got cold air for the weekend. We know we've been talking about a potential system for Saturday, but it looks like it is going to swing south, and all we're going to have to deal with is cold temperatures. So here's the frontal boundary that went through this morning. That's south. It ties into this low pressure, which is down towards Georgia. Areas in South Carolina and North Carolina, all the way to the coast, like Charleston, they could get a little bit of snow and freezing rain as we're going to tonight and tomorrow. We get nothing, which makes no sense. So Futurecast, what you're going to see here on Futurecast for tomorrow morning is some white to the east. That is ocean effect snow. What happens is when the winds turn northerly, they go this direction, and it's like lake effect snow, but for our area, it's ocean effect snow. Affects Cape Cod and Plymouth County. Everybody west of there will generally be dry, and therefore just some sunshine mixed with clouds and cold. Going to Friday night and Saturday, a little cloud cover will try to build in. The storm, the ocean storm, is offshore. That's why it's an ocean storm, and it will affect the fish, but not us. We just deal with cold temperatures for Saturday, and that cold air will stick around for Sunday too. I kept it dry for Monday and Tuesday, but just when our next system comes in for Tuesday, temperatures come up just enough. That's not straight up snow. It'll probably mix with a little rain. Accumulations look minimal. And then cold again, especially as we go into the end of next week. High temperatures back in the mid-20s by next Thursday. Tiffany.
Thanks so much.